inspired makeup look, then keep on watching. I love you guys. Don't forget to press like and subscribe. Peace. Get ready for this Coachella inspired makeup look. We're going to get ready together. First thing I'm going to do is prime my face with this Claudier Primer. Yes, dot, dot, dot. Rub it all around. It's just going to even my texture. I'm going to take the Illuminating Porefessional by Benefit, put that on my problem areas so that I don't have pores and I have a glow from within. Then I am going to take my Morphe foundation brush, my Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I'm going to tap that in with some nice Cover FX glitter drops, swirl it around, and buff it in with my brush. We're going to buff it all over. Make sure that it looks like natural skin. I really love this foundation. It actually looks like I'm not wearing foundation at all. Then I'm going to take my ethereal setting powder and I'm going to put that all around the face, making sure that I buff it in well so I don't have any creasing. Yes. Then I'm going to take the Mario Badescu setting spray and spray it so I don't have powder lines. Then I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape, look at that applicator, and I'm going to put it underneath my eyes. We want to highlight under the eyes. And then I'm going to put it down the bridge of my nose, and I'm going to buff it in with the Morphe G2 brush. You know what? I think I want to use my fingers. I'm going to tap it in. It gets it done faster. Going back in with the foundation brush to make sure there's no harsh lines. Then I'm going to take my Too Faced Life is a Festival palette and crease inside the crease, put that transition shade. Then I'm going to take my Naked Illuminizing powder from Urban Decay and put it under my under eyes so they don't crease. It's got a little extra glitter, so that's why I used it for this look. Then I'm going back into that transition shade from the Life is a Festival palette. There we go, buffing that into the crease. Then I'm going into the Rihanna Shine Bright Like a Diamond Galaxy palette, into that purple color, getting it on my outer V inside the crease. Getting it. I'm getting it. I'm doing it on the other side. Then I'm going to go back in with that lighter shade so we can buff it out so it doesn't look too harsh. It's a daytime Coachella look or festival look, so we don't want to look crazy. There we go. Buff, buff, buff. You know you got to keep buffing it. Windshield wiper motions. Then I'm going to go back into the Galaxy palette and tap once more just to add some dimension into the eyes. Perfect. Keep buffing. Then I'm going to take my e.l.f. brush and we're going to get on that lid. But first we're going to spray with some setting spray so that pigment will pop. We're going to press that color into the center of our lid. Here, look at that. I think I almost blinded myself. There we go. So then we're going to make sure that we take the crease brush and go back into that Rihanna palette, into that purple color, and get it all in the crease so that we don't have any lines from the pigment from the lid. So we're just going to concentrate on the outer V and inside the crease and buff that out. Then we're going to go in and with a clean brush and buff everything together so that it all seams perfectly. And there we go. Then we're going to go into our BH Cosmetics glitter palette and pop this Mermaid color glitter, press glitter right on the lid to make it pop. Then I'm going to take the NYX Milk Pencil and put that in my waterline. That way my eyes look brighter. Then I'm going to take this Life is a Festival bronzer. This has been one of my favorite bronzers. I'm going to swirl it all around with my contour brush and just chisel out those cheekbones, baby, and put it on my forehead. And it's just going to give a glow because of that unicorn in the middle. It's going to make you pop. I love it. It's one of my favorite contours. Then I'm going to take the Tarte Shape Tape concealer and carve out those cheekbones. It looks crazy now, but wait, here we go. I'm going to take the Morphe brush and I'm going to seam out those lines, make them look seamless. All right, that really makes your cheekbones cut out like that. Look at that. Makeup can do anything. It's amazing. Then I am going to go in with my setting powder with my Morphe G2 brush and just set that contour. Then I'm going to spray with my Too Faced Life is a Festival spray. And here's the best part, y'all. The part you were waiting for. The highlighter. We want to glow to the Coachella gods. We going to get that highlighter going, baby. Here we go. Yes. I'm going to go into this highlighter and really make sure it stands out. Here we go, here we go, here we go. I am gonna glow for this festival look. I'm gonna do it on the other side. Then I am going to buff it out. I am gonna go back in because you can never have that much highlighter. Put it on my nose and the forehead and the Cupid's bow. Then I'm gonna go in with this soft Morphe brush to blend it out. That way it looks with no harsh lines. Then I'm going to take the Cover FX glitter drops once again and apply those bad boys to my cheekbones so we can go really extra because you know I'm extra. And then we're going to glow. Look at that. Then we're going to go in with the Too Faced Peel Off Glitter Eyeliner in that opalescent color. Then we're going to take that Mermaid glitter and put it right on top. Bring that line all the way out. There we go. Then I'm going to go back to the other side, do it over there. Then we are going to go back into the Moonchild palette, and we're going to go into that purple and go into the waterline with the Morphe pencil brush. Perfect. Look at us now. They doubted us in the beginning, but look at us now. Then we're going to go in with Too Faced Life is a Festival setting spray. It has micro glitter. It makes you look poppin'. And you're just going to spray, and that's going to set the look. Then we're going to take this Saturday Liquid Lip by Colourpop, and we're going to let it dry because we are going to go in now with our MarcJacobs Mascara. I'm not going to wear falsies. You guys should. But now I'm going in with the Too Faced Life is a Festival Unicorn Tears Liquid Lip Topper. And I'm going to put that right on top of that Colourpop. That way it'll give me like that mermaid unicorn vibes, festival vibes. And look at how that looks. I'm going to blend in the Moonchild Purple Hearts. And then that's the finished look. Ready for Coachella. Hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Thank you. One last thing, you can't have a Coachella festival look without glitter spray. I'm going to spray that all over, including the hair. You can buy this at Walmart for $5. Also, my mom told me to tell you guys a tip. Make sure you put your perfume or your setting spray in the fridge. That way it's nice and cool for the summer heat. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.